Hello everyone, welcome to Trade with Asim and Sajjad. I'm here with the daily analysis for DXY, EURUSD, GBPUSD and gold. We see what's there in economic calendar. Right now we are having a Bank of Japan monetary policy statement, and interest rate decision was just as expected. And from here maybe we can expect a drop or a spike up, so be careful if you have any open trade at these times. Then later we have some French GDP and YOYQQ, and then ECB speech following with GBP nationwide HPI, and then the most important will be Bank of Japan press conference. This Euro, French consumer spending and CPI, HICP doesn't seem like creating any kind of volatility, but we might see some kind of spikes up or down. This one is important, I think, ECB's speech, so we can expect some kind of at least 30 to 50 pips up or down. Then a lot of data actually for Euro today, and Spanish CPI, GDP, HICP, then German unemployment. This one is more important, and this one can create some kind of big volatility. Then later in the evening we have GDP for GBP, and after that for US dollar to GDP. And Bank of England governor speech is very important. All GBP pairs might go up or down, depends what Carney says. And then this is the normal data. So let's have a look at the US dollar currency index, and as expected it's just flying off, and right now it's near a very strong resistance area, and I'm expecting a sharp dip from 91.78. If it reaches this level, we might see a rejection, maybe around 30-40 pips at least. You can see there is a very good resistance area, and even we can squeeze here. And also you can see the RSI is overbought, and so it's expected to the price might drop, and then on Monday it starts going up again. Let's have a look at Euro USD, and Euro USD is just bearish all over. You can see yesterday it did try to go up a bit during the Euro data. It did go up, but then the price got rejected and the huge drop was there. Right now it's looking very weak. It's expected to touch 1.2071. Because of the support, we might see a bounce back from here, and after a small retracement even it can go much down. It will also depend on the US dollar movement, but you can see here on RSI it's almost oversold, so we are very near to a very good bounce back. You can have a good entry at this level with a tight stop loss. Let's have a look at 1 hour time frame, and the hourly time frame also indicating like it's just creating a bearish flag and then just getting ready to dive again. Let's have a look at GBPUSD, and GBPUSD is also much weaker, but it's looking better than Euro, and because of the expected data I'm seeing like it can jump back to 1.399 or 1.40 again, and after touching this level it's also possible the price gets rejected again, and if it gets rejected, then it's heading to 1.3863 and below. So if we look at the hourly time frame, here it is. Yesterday it went all the way, it just had a very strong bullish trend, but right here you can see a very strong resistance area. The price got rejected and it came back all the way, and right now it's making a bearish flag, and still you can see on the RSI too there is still some possibility for the price to drop until here, and then from here it's expected to go up again. That's why I'm seeing, like, after touching this price or even from now, it can just start going up, and 1.40 I think looks quite possible. So if you are thinking to long, then it's a good opportunity, but better to wait for a very good entry. On the hourly time frame, I don't think it's the right time to long from here. At least if I want to long, I will wait for at least 1.3894. So our last pair, gold, and gold is also looking very weaker, and right now even on the daily you can see the candle just tried to go up, but then the price got rejected. And on the daily RSI you can see there's still some gap down, and it can further go to 1310 and even below, and after that it can bounce back and go again. Overall for me, I don't see any good news for the gold. Gold is expected to go much lower. Even I'm looking at 1303 or 1300 or even below. If I can show you the weekly time frame, on weekly too you can see it's very weak and still heading down. Even the RSI you can see there is much gap, and if it tries and reaches here, even it's possible that it crosses 1300 and comes to 1290 or something. So guys, it's Friday. Until the evening the market can be very bumpy. There will be trades or spikes, very big spikes up and down, so just be very careful. I wish you a very profitable trading day. Take care of your trades and take care of yourself. I'll see you with the weekly analysis. Until then, take care and bye.